This is a review of the ChainsProMax necklace chain that I'm going to be doing a unboxing and a review on. And in this unboxing review, we're going to show you guys what you get inside this package and show you guys more in depth about this chain. So without going further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside this package. Okay, so this is everything you get inside this package. So you can see here, it comes with the chain itself too. And I do want to say the chain is absolutely high quality. It feels very nice, especially when you hold it. It has a good weight to it as well too, which I did not expect, but it feels very nice. And I do want to say that this is also stainless steel quality as well too. So, high quality, the chain itself. And not just that, it comes with the bag as well too. So whenever you're not using it, you can store it back inside the bag. And then pretty much that's a huge plus that it offers a bag as well too. So when you don't use it, then you just put it back inside. But other than that, I would definitely recommend this product because of the fact that it's different styles, different specs you could have. If your name starts with the A, you could have to A, different letters and styles. And not just that, but stainless steel quality. It feels very nice when you hold it and you wear it on. And other than that, I so far am happy with this product and would definitely recommend it. If you're looking for something to style up during the winter season or even the summer season, then this chain from ChainsProMax is something I would definitely recommend because of the fact that it looks very nice, it feels very nice, and it feels very sturdy and durable, and it looks like it'll last for a long time as well too. And not just that, it comes with a bag as well too. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this product and would definitely recommend this if you're looking for a new chain.